Thank you, Dr. Shigis. Good morning to you all. The names are Dr. Turyahabwe Stavia, and like he said, I'm acting Assistant Commissioner in charge of TB Leprosy Division at the Ministry of Health. I want to welcome you to this randomization ceremony, and also thank you for keeping time. I think majority of the people came in on time. I was the timekeeper. I saw people entering on time. I said, this is good. I'm not a bit late. So thank you for keeping time and for starting on time. Sometimes you want to do an activity, but the beginning is usually not easy, but you kept time, so we have been able to start on time. So I want to welcome you again to this randomization ceremony. This XPEL TB study comes in at a time when the country is struggling to find additional TB cases. We call them missed cases, but they are there in the community. So this, and I know you know that at your different facilities in your different regions and the districts, you know that you are not meeting the expected targets that we are supposed to be working on. So this study comes in to give us more innovations, to give us more energy, to see if we can find more TB cases. But besides that, I have seen it also wants to help us to improve the quality of care. For those who will be in the test or intervention arm, I've seen we want to do same-day treatment initiation. Now, with the introduction of the gene expert, we have had issues with delayed treatment initiation, especially where the expert is not on site. So this, I see it as an innovation that is going to help us to improve outcomes, because we have been having issues with the initial loss to follow-up, results not returning to the referring sites. So this same-day treatment initiation is one of the things that has caught my attention. And I know it will be possible because we are going to have the machines at the sites of intervention. Now, the other interesting thing that I see with this, and I want you to embrace, is that we are going to have experts at Health Center 3 level. So this study, I think, is one of the landmark innovations that we shall have, because our expert, until recent, has been at hospital and above. It is in this round that we have reached some health center force. But now we are going further to Health Center 3 level. This is the nearest point of care that we can take the best diagnostic technology to reach the community. So this, I'm seeing a lot of advantages in this study to the TB program. And the number of machines are therefore going to increase. So we are happy that this one is coming in at this time when we want to find additional cases, and I'm sure we should be able to find additional cases, given the sensitivity of the expert compared to the microscope that we have been using. The other key message that I get from this study is about the cost analysis. For the first time, we shall be able to know what this intervention and what our standard of care costs. Yes, we shall find an additional case, but what would it take? Or what has it been taking us? So that is also another key element I see in this study. And the standard of care, I want it to be standard of care, because we know that actually what we have recommended as the diagnostic algorithm is not being implemented at all sites. So in this, I think we need to first take people through what the standard of care is, so that they do actually the standard of care, and then we can say it compares with the intervention arm. So we need to understand the standard of care, take people who are in the standard of care through, and they implement it the way it's supposed to be implemented. Then we can able compare and see what it means. Expert machines, additional, yes, the increased yield is also there. So I see a lot of good things only in this XPEL-TB study if it is implemented according to what I've read briefly. And I'll be behind the principal investigators to see that we implement it accordingly. I think other than that, I want to wish you the best of the opening ceremony. I want to declare the ceremony open. Thank you.